So ito yung introduction ng walang hanggan. Ano din? Ano magbutangin ano? Ano? Oo. May tala mga balay mapana siya tumataga mapana sa mga balay. Gusto mo nga kumandir? Ang babagal nyo. Yate ko tag video hamon. Hold it. And hello. So this is the walang hanggan. This is the walang hanggan and it's very beautiful. It's also look like so similar to Kapalanugan, but the grass is here is not so tall.
Mungay!
To Kapalanugan. Look at this. It's pretty beautiful.
Init-init.
We're tired. Very beautiful over here. Look at that.
Hello ko pa nga dig picture dapat. Hello.
I love it.
That's so nice. Look at that. But I'm hungry. Oh my gosh, what is this? It seems that we're in another country. We're in Switzerland. We're in Thailand.
That huge mountain. We call it Makahapay. Dito kita pinababaw. Nope. Dito ta.